Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the video overlay feature on the Sygic GPS application, meaning that you can show date, time and speed while recording and using the dashcam feature. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. Tap on the Smart Cam option within the Features section. After that, you should scroll down to the Dashcam subcategory, and here you can find the video overlay feature that can be enabled by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen, thereby showing date, time, speed and street while recording with the dashcam. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.